Okay, this should be interesting. We got this new, what you call it, waterproof case for the GoPro and a little clip there. So basically, we're gonna have a point of view, first person. This is waterproof, but I didn't do it for that. I did it for dust and so we don't scratch the GoPro. Well, here we go. See how it goes. Maybe we can tighten it. Maybe we can go down a little bit. got all dirty. Right, you got all dirty. Good job. And now we're gonna go find your shoes. We found them over here. Kyle found the shoes. Where's the other one? Probably hiding in the mud. Okay, Kyle, try to get that one. Here, put your remote control down. Right there. Alright, Kyle, let's try to get it.
Okay. Come help me. I don't want
Okay, I'll come behind. Give me one hand. Okay, reach. And get that one out. Ooh.
Is that poop?
Put this over here. Okay, and then try to find the other one. Is it in there somewhere? Put your hand in. I think her foot is in there somewhere. Her
Oh!
Crystal, stay back. Don't fall in again.
Daddy, I see Crystal's footprints. So maybe it's in there?
Put your hand in the dirt somewhere. You feel it? We'll wash your hands too. Do you think her foot is over there, her shoe? Crystal, did you have two shoes or one shoe? One shoe or two shoes? I don't see it, Kyle.
Oh, is that?
You see it? Try to get it.
Fish
No.
rock.
Crystal, where's the other shoe? There's no shoes in there, Kyle? Is there a shoe over there? I don't think so. Crystal, where's your other shoe? Crystal, where's the other one?
Crystal, where is it? Is it in the water or in the mud?
Or the dirt?
Crystal said it's in the water.
Okay, Kyle, maybe you can wash your hands. Like, try to go in the, I don't know, there's one shoe. Where's the other one? Crystal, where's your other shoe?
Crystal, are you have two shoes or one shoe?
We're gonna find the other one. Seems like we'd be able to see it, right? some dirt on it. Some mud. This is a bad place to come, huh, Kyle? Oh, dang it, Crystal.